So when we switch the instrument on, the home screen is displayed. There are two options available to us from here. One is for resistivity measurements and the other is for charge. We're interested today in resistivity, so we depress that button. This is the resistivity home page. It comprises a gauge between 0 and 10. It comprises of 8 buttons that select the range that we want to measure, between 10 to the 8 ohm meters to 10 to the 15 ohm meters. The instrument defaults to 10 to the 15. It displays the current test voltage in kilovolts between ranges 10 to the 11 to 10 to the 15, and 10 volts fixed between 10 to the 8 and 10 to the 10. The plus minus buttons allow us to adjust the EHT. These three buttons on the right hand side provide us our auto zeroing function, which I'll show you in a moment, a reset and an exit, which takes us back to the equipment's home screen. There's an indicator in the bottom left hand corner of the display. It's currently red. This tells us that the instrument has not been zeroed on the current range that we've selected. So we select a range, we'll say 10 to the 13, and we press the 0 button. The instrument now auto zeros. The auto zero function for ranges 10 to the 8 up to about 10 to the 13 take a few seconds to run. On the 10 to the 14 and in particular the 10 to the 15 ranges, the SetZero function can take minutes, and in terms of 10 to the 15 it can take up to 15 to 20 minutes. I usually leave the equipment switched on for a quarter of an hour to half an hour before I try taking any measurements. The SetZero program has now completed on the 10 to the 13 range, which means our logo in the bottom left hand corner now has turned green and we're ready to make a measurement. If we go to another range, we can see that still has not been zeroed, and we can repeat the exercise and press the 0. And now 10 to the 12 is also zeroed. We're now ready to load our powder and make a measurement.